Hi, and welcome to the Mike and Al Show. Today we're going to be taking a viewer call. Hello? Who is this?
It's Evan.
Hi, Evan. How can I help you?
I need help on my homework.
Your homework? Oh, okay.
Well, get over here, you doofus.
Can I come in?
Come in. Hello, Evan. What can I help you with?
Adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing decimals.
Oh, I can show you that. No problem. Okay, so first we're going to cover how to add decimals. The first thing you need to make sure of is that the decimals are lined up. In my example, I have them lined up perfectly. So you're going to put that decimal down there so it follows down. Now, it's just like adding a problem with more than one digit. So in my example, I have 9 plus 2, which is equal to 11. So you're going to put the 1 down there, carry it up here. 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So 5. Now that we're into whole numbers, because it's beyond the decimal, you just add it. 5 plus 8 is 13. And it's 13.51. Any questions?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Now we're going to cover subtracting decimals. A lot like adding decimals, you need to keep the decimals in the exact same place. So I'll put that right down there to remind me. So we're going to start off. 6 minus 2 is 4. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 1, 4. So it's 4.84. That's the answer to that problem. Did you get it?
Yep, it's all locked up in here.
Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to multiply decimals. In order to multiply decimals, you don't have to line up the decimal. You do have to keep track of which numbers are decimals, though. In that case, this is 5 and 8. So what you want to do is put a little reminder, which is 2, because there's 2 decimal numbers, to move the place the decimal over 2 spaces to keep it right. Now it's just like multiplying a 2-digit equation. So you have 5 times 8, which is 40. So you put the 0 down there, carry up the 4. 4 times 8, which is 32. Plus the 4, 36. So 360. Put a place holding 0. Now you have 3 times 5, which is 15. 5. Carry the 1. 3 times 4, 12, which makes it 13. Now you're going to add it all together. So 0, 11, 7, and 1. Now you have to keep in mind that 2. So right now the decimal's right there. You want to move it 2 spaces over so it goes like that. So now the total answer is 17.1. Does that make sense?
Does a pope poop in the woods?
Okay, so now we're going to be dividing. Now keep in mind when you're dividing that you want to divide by a whole number. So in my case, I have 4 divided by 2.5. So what I want to do is change that 2.5 to 25 by moving that decimal point over 1. But when you do to one side, you must do to the other. So I'm going to move that 4's decimal point over 1 spot. So now it's 40, and you put that decimal point up in the answer plot. So now you're doing 25 divided by 40. Now 25 divided by 40, you said is 25 going to 4 first, and that's 0, because it doesn't go in there. Now 25 divided by 40, it goes in there once. So you do 40 minus 25, which gets you 15. Now you make a new 0 under that decimal to make it 150. And how many times does 25 go to 150? 6 times. So the answer is 1.6. Does that sink in?
Sunk like the Titanic.
That's all we have time for today, but tune in next week and you'll see how to deal with fraction equations. Goodbye!